Hello, good morning. Welcome to Software Designs. Today we'll be teaching you how to resize pictures in CorelDRAW. And to resize pictures in CorelDRAW, basically, you just need to create a rectangle like this, and then you can either resize with inches. You can see here either in inches or in millimeters or in points or pixels, feet, yards, as the case may be, depending on the measurement you want to resize to. Or for photo enlargement, then you come here, select this artboard like this. Then we are using inches here. We are using inches. So click on the rectangle, select it. Then you can resize. Let's say we want to resize to 10 by, I mean, that is 10 by 8 here. You click OK. No, it is not correct. Reason why: you have to open this. You open this padlock here and then resize so that it won't distort its movement. Please select it, then close it back. Now it won't temper with the size of this image. Then come here, come and select your picture that you want to resize. Click on this copy. Let's copy from here and then go back to CorelDRAW and then let's paste here. You want to paste. Then this is the image we want to resize. Then from here, select the image. Right click and hold at this point. Take it to the rectangle. You see a cross-like cycle on it. Then drop on it. To ask you to power click inside. And click on this power click is now inside. Then double click on the rectangle 2 times. Then you can go in to see. You can resize the picture. Resize it like this. Resize it so that it will only be half of the picture, as you can see like this. And click on finish. And once you click on finish, remove the outline. Say none here, and then you are good to go. You have successfully resized a picture. Let's find another picture and another one again. Let's find any other. Let's see, this is marriage. Copy this picture from here. Copy. Go to your corridor. Then create a triangle or a square, as the case may be. Then let's say we want to resize this thing to a size of 12 by 15 inches. You come and open this padlock here. Select, write 12. To the next, you write 15. Then lock the padlock. You have successfully sized a box to 12 by 15 inches. And then paste the picture you copied here. And then this picture is landscape in nature, and from the landscape you can turn it. Click here, click twice on it, then use this to turn. Then you can actually click on the picture here, come to object, select power click, select place inside the frame like this. Then you come here, click on it. It's now inside. Then double click on it. You see. Then come inside, drag to this point like this. Rearrange it, and then click on finish. Rearrange. Then there's this space up here. Rearrange like this. Rearrange, and then you are good to go. You are successfully resized to 12 by 15 inches. Thank you. Subscribe to Software Design for more updates.